Hey guys, welcome back. We are at Malagato. I don't know, nasa Gapan, Nueva Ecija. This is Dingalan Aurora.
The fire burned out. The warmth has gone away. The fire burned out, darling. The warmth has gone away. You turned so cold on me, baby, and you'll miss my love someday.
Hey guys, Ningnangan. Breakfast lang.
Bastos lang?
Alas 4.
Oo, mo kanina.
Breakfast lang. At
Bago tayo mag-start guys, ako yung maging tour guide nyo sa ngayon hanggang bukas. So wala na po kayong choice. Ano po? Ako po pangalan ko po si Jan. Ako lang po yung sasamahan yung tour guide sa maghapon to, then hanggang bukas. Wala po kayo ibang sasamahan kasi mga kalaban yan mga yan. Bago tayo mag-start guys, so nagpapasalamat po kami kasi safe kayong tumating dito sa aming bayan sa bayan ng Dingalan. And then ito yung napili yung destination.
Someday. The fire burned out. It's fading slow and deep. The fire burned out, darling. It's fading slow and deep. I'll keep on moving forward, but I'll cry myself to sleep.
so we're at the Aurora feeder port. Let's go. Go! So wow, grabe pala to. I'm using, by the way, Insta360 cam core. Hiniram ko to sa core namin and then this is around 40k. My goodness, sobrang mahal. So we're waiting for our there. So we're waiting for our boat kasi this is around 10 minutes boat ride going sa White Beach daw. Pero sabi nung core namin, hindi na daw yun white dahil sa bagyo. Yeah, sa bagyo, kaya na-wash out na daw yung mga white sand. Pero yeah, we're going there. So we're riding our boat now.
Naka-plate na yan.
Ma'am. Ayan yung boat namin. Wow, grabe, naka ultra mega. Yo guys. Sige, mauna na kayo guys. Po, akit na kayo. Okay lang ako.
Nahilo ang pila. Baka pangat ka. Baka.
Let's go guys. Go. Called Batanes of the East. Exactly kung ano yung nakikita sa vlog. Pinanood ko muna yung mga vlogs. Ito yung atin. Ito yung aming core. Hi ma'am. We're staying here. Walang number. Pero pupunta kami mamaya sa trekking activity. Hiking ba ma'am or trekking? Trekking lang. Hiking. Battery pack. Core na, meron pang libreng hiram na ano.
Sino ba ng pang?
We're doing the hiking na ngayon, the mini hike. Going doon sa, kalimutan ko anong tawag eh. Anong tawag doon ba yun sa view? Batanes of the East. Anyway, sige, let's go guys. Isama ko maganda. 15 minutes and 2 hours. Nakakatawa talaga yun. I'm using this Insta360 borrowed by me sa aming coordinator. Napakabait ni Ma'am Ana. Shoutout sa Pusang Gala. Pusang Gala guys. Yan ang aming travel and tours in avail for this trip.
Meron din po tayong pure tubig sir, walang halong buko. 35 lang sir, 3 for 100.
Starting point.
Mayroon
Welcome po sa starting point.
Puro starting. Hindi na kanina sabi ko yung starting na rin.
Kaya nga, getting steeper. Steeper like hell. Go. Uy, ano yan? Kaway sa vlog?
Ha? Hinihingal.
Alright, here at Batanes. Sobra yung hike na yun. Grabe, para ako nag 1 kilometer sprint. This is called Batanes of the East daw. Right now, it's overrated. So dami ng tao.
Malakas yun sa kabila.
It's almost around 30 minutes. Dito pa rin kami.
Ito na kayo para dyan na para sa inyo.
Ganuin mo yun. Nakakit Ay, ikaw pa. Sila na pa. Sa gilid. May grupo pa. Grupo pa. Hindi, chef service ko labs mo. Pero siya kayo ano pa. Pero baka kami yung
So we're off to swim dito sa tinatawag nilang White Beach. This is the White Beach. Let's go. Pwede ka ba sa vlog, Bel? Ito yung White Beach. Meron daw mga nagdaang bagyo. Tinanggal yung mga white dito. And then, hindi na siya white. Pero, look at the water. The water is so so clear. We are at White Beach. Owning a Insta360 is worth 40k. The fuck? There. Hinahanda yung pagkain namin. We're going island hopping. Okay na po. Picture.
Sige sir, lakad ka lang.
Nasa feeder port na ulit kami. We're going to our accommodation na. Wow! May sugat sa mukha. Morning! Here at Ningnangan. Dito kami nag-breakfast yesterday. This is our day 2. Fully packed as usual. Ang aming itinerary for today is going to the falls and then dun sa something like park na may pwedeng gawing activity. Let's go! Sa inyo yung itsura dito sa aming tinutulayan. There's our room right there. And then ito yung itsura sa harap. Ano ba yan? That's just right here at Dingalan, Aurora. May mga nauna kanina. So madaling araw, meron ding pumunta dito. This was jam-packed earlier. We didn't know about it kasi we're sleeping. And then that's the view of Dingalan, Aurora. You should come here. Unfortunately, kanina hindi kami nakapag-swimming. And then yesterday hindi kami nakapag-swimming kasi wala daw supply ng natural water. Kasi yung swimming pool is supplied with natural water. Pusang Gala. Hindi sino Pusang Gala. Yung kanyang travel and tours.
Hi!
Hello po. Kantawa. We're the strongest ones here. We're walking going sa Tanawan Falls daw. This is a bit of a hike. Going up there. We're still at Dingalan, Aurora. Teka.
Hi!
So we're going sa Tanawan Falls and then later we will have the pool access kasi gusto ko talaga mag-pool. Pero ito po yung itsura niyan. So going there, meron kaming maganda dito dahil maayos na yung daan. Ay! We're near reality here. Ano yan? Natural water siya. Mababaw lang. Merong mababaw na area dito. Ay! Oops! Sexy lang. Yan. Let's go! Sheesh! Ay, sorry! Super lamig ng tubig. This is cold water. Parang nilagyan ng yelo. Right there. Go there. Let's go there. Lalim. Lalim talaga. Pag-alis ng lente. Laway ka to sa? Sa balay? Meron din swimming pool dito. Like that. Tapos dito, sa area na meron din pool. So cool. Pwede event siya, no? Accommodation.
Yung mga pumapasok lang.
chocolate lang. Nag-swimming lang kami doon sa swimming pool. Duh, of course, swimming yun. There. Malamig yan kasi it's fresh water. And then, going here, pagbaba, mayroong tao, of course, di ba? May mga bato. Mayroong area kung saan pwede mag-activities. Napitan natin. Mga tour guide dyan. Ay, may hanging bridge doon. Ay, putik! Pwede daw dyan. Mag-picture. Kasi it's a bridge, obviously. Pinakita ko na sa inyo yung hanging bridge. Might as well. Puntahan na natin. Kasi, basta! Papaliwanag pa ba yun? So, marami silang area dito na pwede kayo nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Explain pa ba? Paalala. And then there's the hanging bridge. Pwede tayo mag-video ng ganito para sa vlog na to. Uy! Ba't naman ganito? Umaalog siya. Kasi nga hanging, di ba? Katawa. Going there. Matibay kaya to? Nakahawak na ako sa Still, while holding my chocolate here, natunaw na. Okay? Okay yun siya. Tapos, sa kapila. Ay, tunaw talaga. By the way, pag may dumadaan dito, eye contact na lang. And you know what you have to do. Look at that view. Nanya? That's so amazing, na? These are the moments na you have to appreciate because these are made by God. By the way, this is a well-developed place sa Tanawan Falls. For obvious reasons, that's the bathroom. This is the shower. Kasama lang sila. Then going here, go upstairs. We're done with our activity. Almost on the last na kami, kakain na kami ng lunch somewhere there sa baba. Pusang Gala. Pusang Gala. It was fun. This trip is fun. Tinggalan is so... They may not have the best beach here, but they have the best adventure. Thank you, Mama Ana. Pusang Gala, they are our traveling tours. And pwede kayong mag-message sa kanya para mag-trip na rin kayo dito. Tinggalan Aurora.